Hey there, folks. Chuck here, and I am really excited about today's unboxing because this is from the Kustomizer. He is a customizer collector, makes sense with the name, on YouTube, and he just had a kid recently, which is really awesome. His son has been doing well from what I heard, and Dotson Man put out this call to have people help with some stuff for him as he's welcoming this new edition, and he's got some needs, and there's a registration link for like an Amazon registry for it's basic necessities like diapers and wipes and stuff. So please check that out if you get a minute. I sent him some stuff, and on top of that, I talked to him because he does these mystery boxes. So basically, there's a $25 level and a $50 level, and at the $25 level, each box contains a special car, whether it's a treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt, some main lines, or even a custom from him. And for $50, you get the double package. So basically what I did to, kind of help him out is I bought a pack, and then we worked out a trade where I'm going to give him some custom printed decals, and did some reworking of his logo for him, and he sent me a second mega pack. But we're not going to get to that yet. I'm going to, make you wait in suspense just a little while longer while I talk about something really cool that happened to me today. Had the little one with me, and we were doing some outings and errands, and just happened across, there's a local kind of junk shop called the Repurpose Project, and it is a junk shop in every sense of the word. Like, it is just like raw materials and scraps of things, everything from like old wrapping paper to literally bins of different colored plastic bottle caps for people to use for art projects and stuff. And you just kind of go in and you rifle through stuff and you make an offer, and they've done a pretty good job of sorting things out, and she loved it. She had a blast. I should have grabbed some footage in there, but they just reopened up after COVID, and so I went in and they had some die casts, and I wanted to share some of those with you really quick. There's some really cool ones in here. This one's interesting. This is a Maisto Bradley. It's labeled G.I. Joe. Looks a little small for 1/64th, but this would be a killer pardon the pun, platform for a Gaslands build. Put a car body on top of it or something, and it's here's a 928 to kind of compare, and just a little no-name 928, but actually not badly done. It's proportioned pretty well, and just thought it was kind of a cool car. Found a Tootsie toy. It's kind of rare to find these in the wild anymore, not like massively overpriced. I thought this one was interesting because it's got little moon eyes embedded straight into the body. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see. I don't know if you can see that. So there's some little moon eyes. I thought that was interesting. I need to look this little guy up. It says Baja Run something on it. Anyway, thought that was cool. Made me think of Opa. Please keep him in your thoughts and prayers. He has announced that he's got esophageal cancer, and he's going through some treatments and stuff. But please check him out and send him some love. There's another Maisto, just kind of a generic Chevy truck, 1999 Silverado. Thought it was fun. It's a little nicer than your typical Hot Wheels mainline. I found a few of these guys, the generic old-timey horseless carriage type things, and they're not really that great quality-wise, but they are they've got some fun bits on them. The grills are really nice on these, and they would be great for hot rods and stuff. So they've got interesting lanterns and stuff, and trunk base. There's interesting bones and stuff here, and like the spare tire mounts I think are interesting. So I picked those up. Here's a few more. Again, I don't know if they're even really based on any specific car, because I'm kind of bad with this era, and a lot of them were pretty bespoke built anyway. So let's see, police van, Ford panel van, 1999. It's a cool, straightforward Econoline van. Another one of these bad boys. I think there's only the heavy stuff left. Oh, another no-name square body, because if there's a chance to pick one up for super cheap, I'm going to do it. Oh, and the cool thing about this store is you name your price, which I won't say what I named, but it was very affordable. Oh, I was already zoomed in, zoom back out. This one's a cool one. I really like this one. It's an 80s Range Rover from Hot Wheels. Again, an interesting one because it's got kind of a bland base to it. So, but it still feels like a real Hot Wheels. I don't think this is one of the ones from when they took over Corgi. Feels like a real one. And it's got the steering wheel on the left, which makes me think it's Hot Wheels original, because it would probably be on the right if it was a Corgi. Speaking of steering wheels on the right, this one, very excited to find. And again, got it for next to nothing. And this is a, it's series number 41, made in England by Lesney. Matchbox Ford GT. Doesn't say GT40, it just says GT. And it's got the nice detailed engine, classic raised lines on it instead of indents for the door panel lines. Right-hand steering wheel, as the racers had. And missing the tires, but that's easily replaced, as I'm finding. There is a crack in the windshield, but, oh well. I mean, for what I paid for it, this would be a killer rebuild restoration candidate. If I can find, I don't know if somebody makes that or not, as far as reproduction windshields. This one was really cool. I've had my eye on this one for a while. Oh, there's one more. Yeah, this is a classic low budget Hot Wheels, no interior. It's just a black windshield, Z28, and it's just a fun background car. But this one is a Welly, number 8371, and really wild casting, because again, this is a 1974 to 1978 Mustang 2 Ghia. Usually you have the Mustang 2s in there, like the Cobra 2s or something like that. At least the ones that postured as muscle cars. But here we got one that is the flat out, super bland, luxury-ish version, and just really cool to get my hands on one. I had one of these a long time ago, and I don't know if it ended up in my brother Justin's collection or not, but it was a white one that had a police badge on it and number 4 on the roof, I believe. And so I've been trying to keep my eye on finding another one, and they're usually like $15 to $20 on eBay, so I was like, yeah, that's not happening. And then I found one, just happened to stop in, and so that was a really exciting find. Just a little reminder to go off the beaten path every now and then, dig through your local thrift shops, junk shops. You never know what you're going to find, because that was a day's haul, and all of that cost me like less than $3. So anyway, all right, that's the opening act. Now to the Kustomizer. I'm very, very excited about this. Again, this is 2 of the big packs wrapped into one, and it looks like there is some stuff wrapped up. So 2 of the big mystery packs. So basically divide whatever's in here by 4, and you'll have what a $25 pack would look like. So already seeing some cool stuff in here. Let's see what we got. So, and again, please check the links below and check him out. There's also, I'll have the information up on the screen if you want to order one of these. It's a great way to support a fellow customizer, and these are really cool. That one I have not seen anywhere locally, that version of the A86. I've seen the Tokyo 2020 a few places, and that is a beautiful factory fresh on Pacific SI. But yeah, this is a great way to support one of your fellow modelers and get something great in return, and a chance at something very, very cool. Oh, there's a message in here. Let me see. Thanks for purchasing a mystery pack. You never know what you're going to get. Good luck. I put 2 inside. 1, all my beautiful customs. Enjoy. So, thank you, Ron. Appreciate it. So, all right, well, we already got a treasure hunt right there, I believe. That's the Diora 2. Yep, there it is. There's the little tiny treasure hunt hiding back there. So that's very cool. And this one's not a treasure hunt, but this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous casting. And I love the detail on this one. They put the Tampo taillights and the turn signals, and there's little lines for the headlights. Just feels very stock without having to do a lot to it. It just feels like a very accurate little car. I love that one. So, all right. Here they are. Here's 4 mystery packs. Let me make sure there's nothing else in there. Heard something weird. Nope, nothing in there. All right, here we go. Which one do I go with? I'll save the big one for last, I guess. And hey, let's try this one out. While I'm opening this, take a minute to give me a subscribe if you haven't already, or like this video. Check out some of my builds if you're not really an unboxer and you made it this far. I don't know why you would have made it this far, but check out some of my build videos. They're really what I want to be known for, and I'm going to get back to this soon. Look at this. Wow. So, that is very cool. That looks like so there's the Kustomizer diecast. He's detailed the bottom. He's done some really cool masking on here. It's good layering. So this is very cool. And and he's doing a lot with a very limited setup. He doesn't have like a huge work area. He doesn't have a ton of tools, a ton of parts. But he's out there and he's doing it, and he's making these videos. And like I was saying this on a discussion with Diecast Heroes crew, like, just being willing to put yourself out there puts you in the top 10% of builders, regardless of your skill set, because you're out there sharing your work, and you're learning and growing with each build. And most people don't have the guts to do that, and just being willing to put yourself out there and share your work, like that goes way farther than just being able to go out there and make a great build, which these are great. These are very cool. Which one is, this is the McLaren. Yeah. That's very cool. I actually don't have this casting at all, so that is a very big honor to have that one as a custom from him. Oh, this is another one that I really like this casting. The Manga Tuner, I think. Bad Manga. So, but yeah, this is awesome stuff. So thank you, Ron. Really appreciate it. Love the idea of the yellow trim on the windows. That is very cool. So yeah, these will be going up in my little museum of customs. It's very cool. And, and again, this is a great way to grow your collection at a very affordable price. Get some unique one-off, one-of-a-kind pieces. Look at this. Oh, I love this casting. This is the 65 Bonneville. It's just one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings because it's just big and long and mean. And love the yellow and black, very menacing look to it. And yeah, you're supporting someone's artwork, their passion, and you're helping a dad out as he's welcoming a new life in. So, what better way to do that to grow your collection and help someone out at the same time. So these are super cool. Hemi Barracuda, he knows I'm a Mopar guy. Great detailing on the grill. It's got the stripes. Frosted glass, that is very cool. Ooh, Porsche? Nope. Nissan Fairlady. So this is like the 280 or I think it's the 240 Z over here. Very cool. I am a sucker for brown cars, so this is perfect. Love this. Very cool. All right. Pack number 3. And I will say, he hustles like pretty much no other. Maybe Jay. Jay might hustle harder than the Kustomizer, but yeah, he is always turning out new videos. He's making new stuff, and he's doing it all on his phone. So you know, it's just, again, there's almost no excuse anymore for if you want to do it and you don't have the skills or the gear. You know, if you've got a smartphone and an internet connection, you can make this happen. And this is beautiful. This is a Lamborghini Aventador, Hot Wheels, and I love this splatter paint effect. That is so cool. It's got like this really great texture to it. Love that. That is a style I need to try. And you know, it's just so cool to see other builders getting out there and trying stuff. And, you know, and this is a great community. Ask for help, you know, find people that you like and ask them for advice, ask them how they do things, how they set up shots, you know, and more often than not, they'll be happy to help you. So this is very cool. Another Aventador. So, but yeah, I mean, like I said, this guy, like, he is churning out the cars, and, you know, I respect the hustle so much. And, that is very cool. That is the new Supra. Yep. And love the detail on the headlights. That is super cool. That is something I want to get better at too, is detailing the headlights. So, okay, last one. And again, please go check out his channel. Subscribe. Tell him I sent you. Show him some love. Buy a mystery pack. He also does raffles, I think, from time to time. Oh man, that is cool. Look at that. He detailed the bikes. He painted the gas cans between the bikes. Great color. This is, if I were to get one of these, this is the color I'd get it in. So, he's detailed the grill and stuff. Did he? It looks like he clear coated this, because those are the tampos. So it looks like he cleared it. Huh. Very cool. But yeah, I mean, it's really awesome to see the talent and the, you know, the different types of people that are trying stuff, and people all over the world getting into this hobby. It's super cool. Looks like we got another one here. Oh, this one's neat. Oh, look at that. I like the mismatched door. That is very cool. Oh, these are awesome, Ron. Oh, very cool. So I feel like I got well more than my money's worth on this set. And wow, like I said, I'm not even finished. So there you go. That is the last car. That is the Hot Wheels 32 Ford in a beautiful golden black job. So yeah, again, the Kustomizer. His name's Ron, and go say hi. Tell him congratulations on the new arrival of his son. It sounds like they're doing really well. And yeah, so as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.